Whether you have been using 1688 Chinese shopping app for a very long time, or you are new to 1688 Chinese shopping app to source cheap products from China, you need to pay proper attention to. You need to stay tuned. You need to stay tuned to this video and see how you can actually solve 1688 account restricted is concerned. Account can be restricted for a reason or for no reason. But once it happens to you, it is the best thing for you to know how you can go about it. And as a result of that, if you are watching this video right now, I'm going to give you simple tips on how you can easily recover an account that has been restricted on 1688 Chinese shopping app. However, there are different types of account restricted on 1688. If it is a primary account restricted, the account will be open. The only thing that you will not be able to message the supplier successfully. But if it is a secondary account restricted, the account will no longer be open, which simply means that you will not have full access back to your 1688 Chinese shopping app. It's going to be totally account logout. And as a result of that, that might take you a lot of serious effort before you can recover. But if the account is a little bit restricted to some certain area on 1688 Chinese shopping app, which simply means that you can still have access back to the account, there is a way out on how you can recover it, which I'm going to explain right here in this video. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or IDP, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business using 1688, Pinduoduo, Taobao, or any Chinese e-commerce apps or website, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to the video. I'm going to put a screen record of these particular issues right here on this video. So what you need to do is to pay proper attention to how you can actually solve this problem. So here, this person contacts me right here. Hello, good morning. This is Excel Graphics. So this is just the name of my YouTube channel, Excel Graphics and Multimedia. And my account, my 1688 account got banned, but I can still access the app. I can still shop. What I can do to lift up the ban. Okay, then this is my response right here. How long does this happen to your account? And good morning. Just this midnight, I was chatting with a supplier. So this is why I said in the beginning of this video that account ban can happen to anybody for a reason or for no reason. But the most important thing is to know a proper solution for account recovery on 1688. So this is my response right here. That is serious. How long have you updated your 1688 app? Then this is the response right here. Just downloaded the app and started using it just a week ago, which simply means that the app is still very much fresh. However, whether your app is up to date or it's not up to date, you can still be restricted in some area. Some of the time, 1688 app robots misbehave, and as a result of that, they can flag on any account for a reason or for no reason. So this is exactly what actually happened to this person right here. So here, I have further asked the question, where did you download your app? So this is the response right here, Play Store. So obviously, this particular person here is using Android phone, because some years back, there is no way you can get the 1688 app from Play Store. But recently now, as a result of new updates, some African country like Nigeria and some other part of African country, they can successfully download 1688 Chinese shopping app from Play Store. However, let us address these particular issues right here. Now, if you find yourself in this category and you actually download your app from Play Store, there are two possible solutions to this particular problem. One of the first solutions here is that you have to go to your Google Play Store or your Android devices and make sure you search for 1688 Chinese shopping app. When you search for the 1688 Chinese shopping app, you can easily update the app on your Google Play Store or your Android phone. So after you update the app, luckily for you, the account must be restricted, might be lifted on the account. But after you update and you still find out that the account restricted is not being lifted, the best option, the second option for you here is that you need to make sure you delete the account completely. You have to delete the 1688 app on your Android phone, remove the system file on your Android phone. After that, you have to re-download, reinstall, and once you reinstall and you re-download it back to your Android phone, then easily log in with your Alipay account. With that, the restriction will be removed totally because of the fact that you have deleted the account and at the same you have deleted the previous account, and at the same time you have deleted the cache file or system file of that particular 1688 account out of your phone. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not least, if you still have further questions about your 1688 Chinese shopping app, you can simply put your question in the comment section down below. Or better still, you can reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.